what about you? Nah, he said, what about me? What am I supposed to do? Troy Bolton here that. Hey, yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Chip. Okay, then back with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make a art brush in the dang on Adobe Illustrator. Now, talking about Adobe Illustrator. I'm gonna say it right for the algorithm. Man, talking about you feel. Alright, but first thing you want to do is open up Adobe Illustrator, you did, and then hit this thing right here, the little arrow thing right there. Make sure you see this. If you don't, I don't know what to tell you, might up, but go down to this damn new brush, hit that. Right, okay, so before y'all get into Adobe Illustrator, make sure you got your stuff set up. So I'm gonna back out of this real quick just to show y'all. Make sure you got however your tablet work, make sure it's plugged up before you get in here, or it's not gonna show you the option for calligraphy and yeah, for the pressure shit thing. Yeah. Alright, but so since I got the UG tablet, you feel me, my junk set up like this, and I can just do this. I'm gonna also do another tutorial showing y'all how to set the UG tablet up. Matter of fact, but that's another story. Alright, so you got that set up. Say you got that set up, so hit new. Bow. There you go, calligraphic brush. Now I'm talking about Kaden. Alright, so you hit that. You hit fix, then go down to pressure. It won't show pressure if you haven't, like, if you don't have an art tablet. So invest in an art tablet, a good one. Like a good one would be this UG M708 tablet, art tablet, digital art tablet. So, but here's the brush. I'm finna show y'all how that guy work. Alright, so what it does is it makes it show up like this. So the harder you press down on it, the harder the thicker the line is, the less you press down on it, the thinner the line is. Alright, so if you wanted to know how to do this, there it is. Okay, y'all, that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Okay.